This brand is available at discount retailers such as Walmart and Target, but the guarantee on the units is only average when compared to brands. The FPF 30UH model is a basic 2-stage portable HEPA air filter with a 690 square feet coverage area and a 101 CFM delivery rate, while the FPK 50UW model is a 3-stage purifier with a 1,253 square feet coverage area and a 171 CFM delivery rate. The FPA 80UW model is a basic 4-stage purifier that has a 2,198 square feet coverage area with a 303 CFM delivery rate, while the KC850U model has a 1,230 square feet coverage with a 164 CFM delivery rate and includes a humidifier. The KC70UW model has 4 stages of cleaning, a 1913 square feet coverage area with a 260 CFM delivery rate, a humidifier, and Wi-Fi ability so that it can be controlled from the SharpAir app or with Alexa and Google Voice commands. The KC860U model has a humidifier and a coverage area of 1,650 square feet with a 231 CFM delivery rate but no Wi-Fi control, while the FXJ80UW model has a 2,430 square feet coverage area with a 334 CFM delivery rate and can be controlled through Wi-Fi, but it does not have a humidifier. The KCP110UW model is their largest with a coverage area of 2,603 square feet and a delivery rate of 352 CFM, a humidifier, and Wi-Fi connectivity.